Hi guys, welcome to the channel. First of all, my apologies. I'm posting this video after a long time. Few family issues. I was trying to sort them out, and this is the reason the video got delayed. Anyways, right now we are posting a very important video, and it is important for everyone. You must have seen the topic, how you can make approximately 1 lakh rupees average every month with a simple strategy. So without wasting time, let's go to the strategy. We will be using a breakout strategy here. What is a breakout strategy? Whenever the price action candles whenever the price action candles break some resistance and go upside, it's called breakout. Yeah. So one more thing before we start the strategy. This strategy works beautifully when you take a bigger time frame, like 30 minutes, a daily time frame or a weekly time frame. Weekly is not that much, but we have to take in consideration. But 30 minutes and 1 day is a beautiful setup. You can use a smaller setup for intraday, but right now I'm giving you a positional setup, so you can use this. I use this and I have made good money out of this strategy, one strategy. So as a token of long delay and not posting my video, I'm just giving you this. Guys, my channel is very new, so help me grow this channel. But I have been in this industry for like more than 9 years, so whatever I'm telling you is after proper research. Yeah, without wasting time, let's start. See, the price action candles, let's say they are going up, up, up. Let's say there's a 30 minutes time frame, yeah, and it went down, doing like this. Yeah, so we have to look for the stocks which are actually in this situation wherein the stock has faced a certain resistance somewhere. Let's say this candle was about to go up, but it faced some resistance somewhere here, right? And from here it started going down. So this is a resistance point here. So we will draw one line here. So you have to look for the stocks, you have to do some homework. However, I'll tell you one stock in which I am thinking the breakout will happen very soon, and you can make some money out of it also. This line you will make, and you will wait for the stocks. You will shortlist and keep stocks in radar which are coming closer to this resistance area. Yeah, so this is one thing you have to do. I will tell you a few more details about this. When this stock crosses this resistance line, you have to enter and put a stop loss somewhere here, right? This is a positional trade. One thing you have to, because I said you have to look for a bigger time frames here. The trade can go up to a few days also, but one thing is for sure, you will get a decent profit, maybe sometimes a jackpot profit also. So when I say approximately 1 lakh, so keep somewhere around 10% of 10% of profit coming in. Like somewhere I usually invest 10 lakh rupees for on a certain trade, and then if you get certain trade for 10 lakh rupees, let's say if you, okay, one thing, the capital required somewhere around 6 to 7 lakh rupees for this 1 lakh rupees profit. But if you're not having this much amount, that is also good, that is also okay. You can make smaller profits, and then you can go forward with your bigger profits. So whatever amount you have, don't put straight away all the money, just put somewhere around 20 to 30% of your entire capital, and you enter such trades. I will tell you a few stocks. Please join the Telegram channel also. I will be giving the description, the tag in the description below. There I keep on posting few good research stocks which I trade in, and I tell few other people. And like I said, a Telegram channel is also new, so please help me growing it. So whenever you see this resistance line getting broken by any certain stock, you enter and then keep it for a few days till the time this, you keep one indicator also, 20 moving average. 20 moving average you have to keep, and whenever you see the price of a stock is going below 20 moving average, you exit that stock. I will be showing you certain stocks in which I feel the breakout will happen soon, This is Tata Power. Let me draw one line here. We see this resistance. We see this resistance here faced by Tata Power. So we put a line here. Yeah. So whenever this line is getting broken by the price action candle, we enter the stock. If the line is not broken, then we will not enter a certain stock, and we will ignore that stock until it gets broken. Yeah. One thing. 30 minutes time frame. If we see this chart, when was this? Like in April, this resistance came somewhere around in April. We can take this resistance also. When we see a 30 minutes time frame, we see one smaller breakout also happening somewhere here. So you have to keep looking for certain breakouts. There is another example I'll show you. Inox Wind, very good stock. It is in my radar for a long time now, and I was actually thinking of trading in this. Whenever this line, see this line, whenever this line, there was a resistance faced by Inox Wind somewhere around in December. Whenever this is broken somewhere around 155, once it is broken, there was one resistance here also, see, around 115. When it is broken, I will enter this stock. You can follow me on Telegram also. I will be posting a few videos on this also, few information. And let me tell you one more stock. Very simple strategy, guys. You can use it, and you can make good money out of it also. So one more stock which I feel will be breaking out soon is Adani Port. Look at this, guys. Beautiful stock. Mr. Adani is already famous for a lot of reasons nowadays. Look at this. I think it has broken. Yes, just now, before a few days, like few minutes back, it was okay. It has broken. This was the line. Adani Port. We can enter Adani Port. Enter Adani Port. This is not some tip providing video, guys. This is only for educational purposes. But right now, this is something happening. So I'm just telling you. Adani Port resistance was somewhere here, 925, but it has broken. We enter the stock, 931. Enter anywhere. And this is the place where you will put your stop loss. Positional trade, as I told you, this is 20 moving average here. Once this 20 moving average is broken, or this resistance line, 20 moving average, keep 20 moving average. Once this 20 moving average is broken, just come out of your trade. Or if you have taken a decent amount of profit, then also you can come out. You don't have to always follow the indicators or the price action candle. If you see some good money coming into your pocket, cut the position. Sometimes the fall is also drastic because nowadays inflation problem is happening. Guys, if you have any query, please let me know. And this video, follow me on Telegram channel, guys. Thank you so much.